You might be thinking to yourself, I'm a brick and mortar store. I don't sell things online. Why do I need a website? The answer is because that's how your customers find you. The days of looking up a business in the Yellow Pages are gone. Your customers are looking for your business online and on the go. The fact is, it doesn't matter what you're selling or what kind of business you're in. You need to have a professional, high-converting website. So let's go over the very basics of what it takes to get a website on the web. In order to do that, I like to use the analogy of a book author. Let's say you want to write a book and put it on the library shelf so that whoever wants to read it can. First, you need to buy a blank book with a title. Make sure it's a good title so people will want to read it. Second, you need to be able to write on the blank pages of the book. You need a good pen. Finally, you need to get your book off your desk and onto the library shelf so that the public can see it. Creating a website works the same way. First, you need to choose and register your domain name. This is like finding a good title to your book. Because you're a brick and mortar store, it might be a good idea for your domain name to have something to do with your geographic location. Let's say you have a courier service in London. It would be a great idea to register londondelivers.com or londoncourier.com. Even if that isn't the name of the company, the amount of natural traffic that domain will generate will be well worth it. Plus, you can always direct that traffic to thenameofyourcompany.com. Now, you'll need to register that domain name with a registrar. There are quite a few registrars out there, and they're extremely easy to find. You can just Google domain name registration and find the one you like. Once you have your domain name registered, you'll need to get your site hosted. This is where the analogy gets a little out of order, but because many registrars also act as hosting companies, now is the best time to discuss it. Having your website hosted is like putting your book on the library shelf. It allows everybody in the world to have access to it. When you choose a hosting company, it's important to consider server reliability, site uptime, email clients, and other features. Saving a few pounds a month by using an unreliable hosting company will cost you many times more than that in lost business. So now you have your blank book with a good title, and you have it on the library shelf. What next? Well, you could start putting the website together yourself. We recommend WordPress from wordpress.org. It's free, widely used, and most hosting companies will offer one-click installation of the software. Once you have it installed, you'll find a plethora of documentation and help videos to get you started. However, you may not have the time or the expertise to do this, and to a professional standard. This is where you'll need the help of a web professional, and that's where the online knowledge can help. We can create your website for you. We can even help you choose and register your domain name and set up the hosting. Each business we work with has different needs, and so each website project is different too. That's why we always arrange an initial consultation with you. Give us a call or email us, and we can arrange your free initial consultation today.